Once, there was a frog who wanted to be a singer. So he went to his parents, he said, "Mommy, Daddy, I want to be a singer." And the parents, sometimes parents actually do get it right. The parents said, "Oh, little froggy boy, that's very good. You go right ahead, honey. You're going to make us proud." So he's feeling pretty good. That's what happens when parents are supportive. You know what I'm saying? You feel me, right? And so he came out, and he went to see his friends. He said, "I want to be a singer." Now, your friends don't always catch the train. So the friends are like, "A singer? What you talking about you won't be a singer? Can't no frog be no singer. You better find yourself a lily pad and calm down." Well, he was not going to be stopped. So he went to see the birds, because he figured they sing all the time. They've got to understand. And so he said, "Birdies, I want to help you." And the bird said, "Oh, that's so nice. You can put up the speakers and put up the microphones and run the soundboard." He said, "No, I don't want to put up the speakers and put up the microphones and run the soundboard. Carlos, no disrespect. I want to be a singer." They said, "Oh, what? A singer? Can't no frog be no singer. You better find yourself a lily pad and calm down." He just wouldn't stop. So we went to Miss Fox. She ran the Friday night talent show. And he came up and he said, "Miss Fox," what did he say? "Want to be a singer." Not just a singer. "I want to be a singer." And Miss Fox said, what did Miss Fox say? "A singer? What you talking about you won't be a singer? Can't no frog be no singer." I grew up in Harlem, yo. I know what people can do to you. You find yourself prepared to calm down. He said, "No, but I know I can do it. I know I can do it." She said, "Okay, you want to sing? You want to sing? Come back Friday night. Come back Friday night. Now get out of my face." So he went home, and he got himself prepared. He had on a green tuxedo with tails. He had on a lilac satin ruffled shirt and a green silk cummerbund, and he had on purple high-top sneakers, green strings, and he had on a green baseball cap with the beak out to the side like that. And he had on purple mirror shades. Brother was stepping. And he came out to the microphone, but other animals had found out his plan. And they came with squishy running tomatoes and mushed up mangoes with the pit still in them, and messed up pineapples, and they started throwing them at him. Shoo! He's jumping around. And he almost left the stage. But then he said, "No, I know I can do this. I know I can." So he stepped up to the microphone and he said, "Ribbit, ribbit, bibbit, ribbit, bibbit, dee, wo, wo, so, yeah. What do you think they did? They stopped, first of all, and they started to boogie. If you ever found a bird in your soul, if you ever found an elephant, and I happen to know Fred Tutman has a fabulous elephant in there somewhere. He got a serious elephant. Find your elephant now and let your elephant scat. Let your bird scat. And find out where the rhinoceros mama is dancing. Come on now. Come on. Come on. So the birds, how's the birds going to sound? The tweet, 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 boom, tweet, 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 boom. Come on, tweet, 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 dribble, baby, tweet, bop, tweet, 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 dribble, baby, bop, tweet. Come on, beep, beep, bop, 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 deep. Do that thing. Where the beep, tweet, deep. Now, let's hear some elephants. Now, my elephant is like, wah, shabba be a man, wah, trying to beat, wah, shabba be a teeth, wah, tweet, 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 wah, wah, tweet, 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 wah, wah, tweet, 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 wah, wah, tweet, tweet, tweet. Now, y'all, I don't see anybody getting up for the rhinoceros thing. So my rhinoceros mamas used to go doom 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 doom. So it's gonna have to do for you, I guess. So while all this is going on, then something else happened, and he says, "Hum cha." Cha, doom, cha, doom, ka, changed, I've been changed, I've been changed, I've been changed, changed, I've been changed, I've been changed. I've been changed. I am an ectothermic metamorph. It started when my mama thought my daddy's song was cool. So when he called her out, she jumped into the pool. Then they got it on with our version of amplexus. That was humans call it when amphibians link the sexes. Daddy had a style my mama thought was fine. She laid 10,000 eggs that night, and one of them was mine. Changed. I've been changed. I've been changed. I've been changed. Watch me now. 504 hours, 3 weeks, 21 days. It don't matter how you count it. You got to go a ways to make a tadpole or a pollywog, baby. They call us frog spawn, linked and floating on a pond with a nasty jelly cover we hope fish won't feed upon. It took 2 days longer while I was getting stronger, eating my way through the jelly round my egg. I fought my way free with a wiggle full of struggle because I didn't have lung nor leg. But that was okay, because with gills and a tail, you can get away quick from a salamander whale. I didn't even look like Mom or Daddy, kind of, sort of, but I had what it took to wave in the water. Come on. Wave in the water, wave in the water. Changed. I've been changed. I've been changed. I've been changed. I ate algae. I started having feelings I just couldn't explain. I wanted to sniff the air. I wanted to feel the rain. Then all of a sudden, I was sprouting bumps. 2 bumps on both sides behind my head. 2 bumps got to jump on my rump. My head got big. My eyes stopped bugging out. My skin turned green. My tail got sucky and long. Tongue. My tail slipped in. My legs popped out. And my back legs got big and strong. So now I keep my skin wet to enable respiration. Eat flies, fleas, and ticks without reservation. I'll sniff my way back here for amplexus preservation, to restart the cycle that maintains my froggy nation, because I'm grown. Watch, watch, boom, what you do. Defending the marvel of my life depends on you. Educate yourself, protect me now. Watch, what you do. Defending the marvel of my life depends on you. Educate, come on, protect me now. Watch, you know this part. What you do, Jibba will be a day. Defending the marvel of my life depends on you. Educate yourself, protect me now. Watch, what you do, defending the marvel of my life depends on you. Educate yourself, protect me now. Thank you. I'm Karen Wilson, I'm my chef. God bless you all. Thank you.